Alaska Airlines just hit pause on all its flights. Yep, every single one. Sunday night turned into a Groundhog Day for thousands of passengers. And the official reason? A mysterious technology issue. FBI literally warned airlines about the cyber attacks 3 weeks ago. It's always a coincidence, right? At 8 p.m. Pacific, Alaska Airlines grounded their entire fleet. Planes sat on tarmacs, passengers paced like zombies, and baggage belts collected more dust than your old treadmill. By 11 p.m., flights started creeping back, but delays snowballed straight into the Monday morning, aka peak travel chaos. Even Horizon Air, their partner, got caught in this crossfire. And if you're thinking, just a glitch, the FBI called it weeks ago. US airlines are prime targets. It's got all the signatures. Sudden, massive, and system-wide. Enter Sol Typhoon. No, not a new energy drink. The elite Chinese hacking group that's been ghosting American networks for years now. These guys hacked 9 US telecom giants and even lurked inside a US Army National Guard unit for 9 long months, just like cyber ninjas with infinite patience. Now picture this. Airlines run on the same routers, VPNs, and digital skeletons. So if Sol Typhoon's inside, they're basically holding the key to the cockpit. No boarding pass needed for them. And why should we care about this? Because when an airline goes down, it's not just angry travelers and melted ice cream at the duty free. Airlines move about 2.5 million passengers daily and billions in cargo. One little bad line of code, one oopsie update, and you've got planes in the wrong place, luggage in another country, and an economy on life support. Now here's the kicker. Most airlines have skeleton security teams. Think of a multi-billion-dollar flying computers protected by 2 IT guys and a roll of duct tape. Alaska Airlines alone has had a bad tech streak. With software meltdown in April, a major cyber mess at Seattle Airport last year, and now this. The bottom line, airlines aren't just companies anymore. They're part of critical infrastructure. They need military-grade cybersecurity. Without it, the next glitch might not just delay flights. It could bring entire skies to a standstill. So, was this just a tech hiccup or a digital warning shot? One thing's certain. Our airplanes are only as safe as the code that runs them. What do you think? Should airlines be forced to upgrade their cybersecurity before we're all grounded for good? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button if you're done with this glitch excuse. And definitely subscribe Quick Projects for updates that actually make sense. Until then, keep your tray tables up and your Wi-Fi protected, because turbulence isn't always in the sky.